अनुराग, आपको जैसे हमने प्रॉमिस किया था कि हमारी बातें प्रियंक जैन जी से हो रही थी, उस समय कुछ बातें रह गई थी, इन चीज़ों को हम आगे लेके चलते हैं। और वेलकम अगेन प्रियंक जैन जी फॉर टेकिंग योर वैल्यूएबल टाइम। आपके साथ ढेर सारी बातें हैं बिकॉज हमारे दर्शक जानना चाहते हैं कि आपके क्या क्या नए नए एक्सपीरियंस हैं, आपके गल्फ के एक्सपीरियंस, आपके नए डिजाइन के एक्सपीरियंस। तो इन चीज़ों को लेके हम लोग आगे बढ़ते हैं। Last 25 years, the vast experience you have, और जिस तरह से you have been known for a challenging design जो आप मार्केट में दे रहे हैं, tell me about one or two projects जिसमें आपको काम करके ऐसा लगा हो कि I have done something different and it was very challenging और आपको काम करने में बहुत मजा आया. It was a challenge for you because you love challenges. कोई ऐसा प्रोजेक्ट जो आपने किया हो in your career, which was most challenging job and you felt, you loved doing it with your team?
So I take every project as a challenge because most of the developers in my past 7-8 years, they put me on the project. Normally they keep me into the design, but normally when the completion stage of project has come, they deploy me on site, just go and work on the wall footing basis for 15 days, 20 days. Presently, I am sitting at one of the site only from second of this month only. Just the completion of the project is nearby. So I take every project as a challenge, but two of the projects which I see are the most challenging. One is the Udaipur Hotel.
Okay.
Where I have done the copper plumbing, 100%. This is in year 1998-99.
Oh, long back.
So that time the copper has newly come into the market, and I have myself doing the brazing of these joints, brazing, or you can say a soldering. Everything is done because that time the educated plumber are very less in the industry, those who know how to join the copper. So first, before giving, since DSA was the distributor for the copper during that time, so their supervisor from Rosco has come and trained me. I am the first person who has been trained by the Rosco in North India. So after that, I slowly demonstrate wherever the product has been installed. So Udaipur is the first project where from 15 mm dia to 159 mm dia is entire copper.
Of copper? Total copper?
It's the first hotel of India where 100% copper has been used for the water supply. Cold, hot, everything. After that, there is definitely a commonwealth which I did in the year 2007 to 2011. It's a challenging because everything is on the war footing basis because the project in the initial phase of about 2.5 years was shut down because of the financial crisis, and during the span of around 9 to 10 months, everything has been done on the war footing basis. So first thing I have to accommodate, since there are 34 towers, 6,716 toilets, I need to complete within 4 or 5 months. So accommodating 600 odd plumbers is a really challenging job for me. And feeding the material is a bigger task. Because if one elbow is short, the plumber will slowly sit down ki sir material nahi hai. That was the biggest channel I have faced. So tracking of materials, each and every step. That time the Alu Ali is the contractor on that project, and I was with MR side. So I have taken the responsibility ki I will do that. So my whole job since 9 till 9 just to call the vendor ki material kam nahi hona chahiye. And Ahluwalia as a contractor has given me a full authority. Ki whatever plans he do it. Don't need my approval. So 24/7, by 2 of the, you can say, rider has to sit in Chavdi Bazaar. फर्ज वो खत्म हो गई, ठीक है, 500 पीस डालो और लेके आ जाओ. So this kind of a supplier I had in Chavdi, I know since I am in the industry, so everybody know, whether it's a manufacturer or a dealer or a consultant or a contractor, at present my reputation is such that in the market, whatever the decision I have taken, nobody can challenge me or take the wrong decision.
Oh, that's good. That's good. So I think
the best part of it's a God grace, I don't know. Hardly I stay with the problem for 10 days. If somebody tells me, sir, ये नहीं ऐसे, ठीक है, ऐसे नहीं ऐसे कर दो. उसके बाद मैं सोचूंगा, पता नहीं कि मैंने सही बोला या गलत. अगर कुछ गलत है, then sometimes hardly 1 or 2 I have to change my decision. And otherwise everybody say कि यार whatever you have did is okay.
That's good. एक और चीज जो मैंने मतलब आपसे जो अभी बात करते हुए समझा कि आई थिंक आपने हमेशा नई चीजों को बहुत तवज्जो दिया है, नई टेक्नोलॉजीज को क्लाइंट्स के पास पहुंचाने में. यू नो यू हैव रियली टेकन बिकम दैट ब्रिज, यू नो कि एक नई टेक्नोलॉजी को समझ के और नई चीजों को क्लाइंट्स को सजेस्ट करना सो दैट वो क्लाइंट्स को भी एक हेल्प हो सके. आई थिंक यू हैव टेकन दैट इनिशिएटिव. जो आप बात कर रहे हैं 1998 में कॉपर पाइप्स को यूज करना एट दैट स्केल एंड स्टिल द न्यू टेक्नोलॉजीज आर इन्वॉल्विंग. सो आई थिंक पीपल लाइक यू हैव रियली हेल्प द इंडस्ट्री एंड द सोसाइटी कि नई नई चीजों को कैसे बढ़ावा दिया जाए. ऐसा नहीं है कि कन्वेंशनल जो चला आ रहा है उसी को ही हम लोग करते रहे. बट आई थिंक पीपल लाइक यू हैव रियली हेल्प दिस सोसाइटी टू यूज द न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी, मेक यूज ऑफ इट और क्लाइंट्स को और सोसाइटी को एक बेटर प्रोडक्ट दे सके. आई थिंक दैट इज रियली अप्रिशिएटेड प्रियांक. एज अ कंसल्टेंट आप कोई चीज स्पेसिफाई करते हैं और बिल्डर्स जो हैं यू नो वो हमेशा कॉस्ट बचाने की कोशिश करते हैं. सो कितना चैलेंजिंग वो आपके लिए रहता है टू कन्विंस देम कि नई टेक्नोलॉजी है, बेटरमेंट है, इसकी सर्विस लाइफ ज्यादा है. सो आपके लिए क्या चैलेंजिंग रहता है?
Sir, I only request one thing to them. सर आप पूरे प्रोजेक्ट में अपनी क्वालिटी जो चाहते हो वो लगा लो. एक छोटे से पार्ट में इसको लगा के चेक कर लेते हैं. या आपका कोई एग्जिस्टिंग प्रोजेक्ट है to check the performance. They got completely convinced and I call the vendor and say यार इतना काम तो फड़िया कर दो so that your material if got approved, your cost will be compromised during that bigger project. So this I have already done in 2-3 projects. For a small part or for a particular area, I will install that material. Maybe I will not get a success in this project, but in another definitely I will. So this is the main thing. Like the Silencio pipe I have installed in one of my projects. This is Joy Street, 216 room service apartment. So initially I have to fight for that. Consultant says no जी मैं तो CI लगाऊंगा. I said no सर क्यों चाहिए, आपको आवाज की दिक्कत है ना क्योंकि पाइप सस्पेंडेड है and this is a better pipe and space wise सब कुछ काम होगा. Then I myself prepare a dummy mock-up with CI Hablet and your Silencio with the dummy shop. Then I showed him, he said okay, let's go ahead with that. So sometimes you have to convince in a practical manner. Sometimes कभी प्यार से कभी चिकराम से, sometimes you have to be manipulative also. It's not like that you don't manipulate. You have to be. If you want to be a good consultant, sometimes you have to produce these kind of a things.
I think that is a very good, way and how to put it. आपने जो ये जो चीज जो एग्जाम्पल हमको दिया, आई थिंक इससे वी आर आल्सो इंस्पायर्ड एंड वी अप्रिशिएट द वे यू हैव डन इट, बिकॉज कोई भी आदमी होगा वो ये बोलेगा कि हाँ नहीं सर ये तो यही यहाँ पे लगना चाहिए, बट आपने उसको बिल्डर को एक पर्टिकुलर एप्लीकेशन के लिए कि सर ये एरिया में प्रॉब्लम आ सकता है, आपको यहीं पे एक नई टेक्नोलॉजी या चीजों को रिप्लेस करना पड़ेगा। एक तरफ आपने उसके जो बजट है उसका भी ध्यान रखा और साथ में आपने एक नई टेक्नोलॉजी की भी अंदर पुट अप करने की कोशिश करी। आई रियली अप्रिशिएट द वे यू हैव डन। सर एक और चीज है कि जैसे अभी आप देख रहे हैं ट्रेंड, सिंस इंडिया में स्पेशली हम लोग देखते हैं कि जैसे आपने एक एग्जांपल दिया कि अभी हर आदमी कंसल्टेंट बन जाता है, चाहे वो उतनी नॉलेज हो या नहीं हो, या कुछ भी एप्लीकेशन में वो फिट होती है कि नहीं, बट वो चीज डल जाती है। सेम इसी तरह व्हाट वी हैव सीन इज कि देयर आर लॉट ऑफ मैन्युफैक्चरर्स जो इंडिया में आए हैं, चाहे वो क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट बनाते हैं नहीं बनाते, बट डू यू थिंक कि जो सर्टिफिकेशंस हैं जैसे NSF है, UPC हैं, जो नॉन प्रॉफिटेबल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस हैं, ये सर्टिफिकेशंस क्या क्वालिटी को, क्या एक अच्छे बेंचमार्क को, क्या एक क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट मैन्युफैक्चरर्स को एक इंस्पिरेशन देता है, या फिर एक क्लाइंट को इससे कुछ फर्क पड़ता है?
Definitely yes. If the product which you are using in the project, definitely if you show that these are the certified projects, whether NSF or UL or FM, it will give you a grace or presentable way in front of our international clients or those who are working all around the India, because they also have their standards. Because normally sometimes we are doing one project called the SIFI. It's a data center at Noida. So when I proposed them that I want to use NSF certified 5, he said, okay, go ahead. I love to do that. So when you yourself take initiative, you get a better feedback from your client also. So every time the standardization should be there, and at present market, the some knowledge which is rising up in the industry due to Google offers, but not up to that extent कि a normal person know about what kind of a product or what kind of a certification we need to have for the particular product. So it is very necessary, because everybody manufacturing PVC pipe without any certification. For getting the IS code is very easy in India. They don't want any international certification. So for maintaining a quality, when you are paying a better money, why can't we use a better product?
सर ये जो जितने भी मतलब जो नॉन क्वालिटी प्लेयर्स हैं, या फिर जो लोग बहुत छोटे पैमाने में, हम लोगों ने मतलब अभी जैसे न्यूज़पेपर्स में भी देखा, लोग अभी घरों में पाइप्स बनाना चालू। Don't you think it is going to harm the the building segments, the building industries? Since जब RERA coming into picture, we always want to give a better product. Don't you think these players will hamper the quality of the work?
That is what in the beginning I said. The education of the field engineer is more important.
True.
उनको बताने वाला कोई नहीं है कि ये हमारे यहाँ सस्ता मिलता है और इस क्वालिटी का मिलता है। उनको एजुकेट करने वाले हम ही हैं। So unless and until we himself are not educated, we don't know. He never propose. हमारा कॉन्सेप्ट अलाउ नहीं करेगा to use a standardized material, because अगर हमारा नाम उस प्रोजेक्ट से जुड़ा है तो nobody want to spoil his name. If somebody is doing this, I don't know how can he sleep in the night. I never.
सर एक जो आपने बोला कि you have worked in Gulf, और वहाँ पे जो प्रोजेक्ट जो आपने बोला, it is one of the best projects in the industry, और अब कोई भी आदमी का ड्रीम है to be there. तो ये जो डेवलप्ड कंट्रीज हैं वहाँ पे जो प्रोडक्ट्स यूज होते हैं, Do you think India is also, slowly and steadily moving towards that quality and innovative product line?
Definitely not 100%, but yeah, maybe 30 or 40% of the builder section or the people, those who are into the construction industry, are willing to go for that, but not 100%. But slowly, people are educating for adopting a new technology. They have become quality conscious. So everything is improving. It's not like that it's not improving. It's improving, but it will take time. Because in India, the major constraint is वही पैसा कि बचा लो. But to all the builders, मैं आपके चैनल से एक संदेश देना चाहता हूँ.
Yes, sir.
I don't know whether it will उनको अच्छा लगेगा या बुरा लगेगा. I don't know. As a shopkeeper, if I buy any product at 80 rupees and I want to sell at 100 rupees, so my profit is 20.
True.
But why it is happening in the project during the execution or during the end stage, I want to make a 20 as a 30. मैं उस 80 रुपए को 70 कर रहा हूं. क्यों कर रहा हूं? आपने तो बिच डिसाइड करेगा ना. Then stick to that 20 ना.
सही है.
This is a major cause, major flaw.
Okay. So that's where the whole thing revolves.
Yes.
So, प्रियांक जी, आपका क्या suggestions है, for the effective plumbing, जो buildings में करते हैं, how effective plumbing can be done? I know आपका पहला जो main जो चीज है वो है education. Definitely, education is something जिससे effective plumbing हो सकता है. Do you think there are other factors also जिससे हम लोग एक बहुत अच्छी plumbing कर सकते हैं for building industries?
So we have to train at least 2,000 plumbers every year. If like SL or Rosco or let's
anyone,
say Indian plumbing,
any of them.
Yeah, anyone can take an initiative and start educating them. और उनको ये बोले कि अगले 5 साल बाद तुमने 5 बंदों को हर एक में डेवलप करना है. Then only the change will start. होता क्या है, बंदा घर से आता है, हेल्पर से का प्लम्बर बन जाता है, किसी को नहीं पता. और एक कहावत पता नहीं 2 दिन पहले मिस्टर फास्ट प्लम्बिंग के जो ओनर है मिस्टर रवि प्रधान, उनसे मेरी बात हो रही थी कि अच्छे प्लम्बर जो होते हैं वो गल्फ चले जाते हैं और गल्फ से जब लौट के आते हैं तो उनको जंग लग चुका होता है, वो यहाँ काम ही नहीं करते. तो ये नसीब में चल रहा है. With something somewhere we need to look after.
So I think as a this plumbing community, our objective is togetherness. कि हम सब मिलके एजुकेशन के ऊपर ज्यादा ध्यान दें, प्लम्बर्स लोगों को ट्रेन करें, उनको सही चीज और गलत चीज की जानकारी दें, सही प्रोडक्ट्स क्या हैं उनकी जानकारी दें. आई थिंक दैट इज वन ऑफ द की थिंग जो हमने आपसे ली.
विकास जी, एक चीज हम भूल रहे हैं. ये हम हिंदुस्तानियों को ना अपनी डिक्शनरी से एक शब्द निकालना पड़ेगा, जुगाड़.
जुगाड़, that's true.
And this word you never know. The ex-CEO of Tamar, who came from America, Mr. Bill Retaji, knows about that word. He told me, यार मेरे प्रोजेक्ट में ना I don't want that bloody Indian जुगाड़. I know it. The Americans are telling me don't do जुगाड़.
That's yeah. आपकी बात सही है. अपने इधर साइट पे अगर कोई चीज नहीं मिलती है तो उसका वो लोग जुगाड़ जरूर ढूंढ लेते हैं. कोई आदमी वेट नहीं करता है, बट हाँ उसका जुगाड़ ढूंढने की कोशिश जरूर करता है.
नहीं, झुकाव फिर वो हमारी हैबिट में आ जाता है,
सही,
प्रॉब्लम ये भी है।
डेफिनेटली नहीं, आई थिंक वो हम सबको ये चीज अपनी डिक्शनरी से डेफिनेटली इसको कट कर देना चाहिए कि
In Gulf it is not. In Gulf it is not there. It is not there.
So that those things we have to adapt here. You know, वो चीजें
Yes.
हमको एजुकेट करनी पड़ेंगी कि ये जब हम लोग मेहनत ही कर रहे हैं तो ये शब्द का यूज हमको मेहनत में नहीं आता है, तो इसको हमको हटा देना चाहिए। वेरी वेल सेड सर, वेरी वेल सेड सर। हमने देखा कि हर एक एप्लीकेशन वाइज चीजों में धीरे 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 बदलाव आ रहा है। जैसे मेटल पाइपिंग सिस्टम्स था तो उसमें थर्मोप्लास्टिक्स पाइप आने लगे, चाहे वो सीपीवीसी हो या पीपीआर हो या कोई भी प्रोडक्ट हो। इसी तरह अभी हम लोग देख रहे हैं ड्रेनेज के अंदर जैसे कास्ट आयरन था, फिर पीवीसी आया, अभी हाई राइज बिल्डिंग्स आए हैं तो पीपल आर लुकिंग फॉर सम स्टडी पाइप्स, तो पीपी लो नॉइज सिस्टम्स आए। तो व्हाट इज योर से ऑन दैट कि ये जो प्रोडक्ट जो लाइन है, how successful it will be in the future, and do you think these are the future of the country?
Yes, definitely yes.
Since the buildings
Yeah.
are going vertically high. So,
Yeah. So if you go in the Gulf countries, since they have adopted and their buildings are much more high rise than ours, the only thing when the height of building is increasing, we have to design in a zoning manner. Because in plumbing, the major criteria is the gravity pressure
true.
or a hydrodynamic pressure, whatever you are. So zoning is a more important factor which we need to think. If your zoning is perfect, your pipe, whether you are using CPVC or a PVC, nothing is going to fail.
Okay. So drainage के अंदर भी, gravity flow के अंदर भी we have to do zoning.
No,
Yes, there is
drainage is not. No, only
Not
for the
required.
no, for the lower floors you have to. You have to drain it out separately, lower 2-3 floors. So that if line that choke, there will be not a back flow. Else it is okay. In the water level, definitely yes.
Okay. Sir, now with this new technology, we are also looking into the application. जैसे अभी जैसे प्लम्बिंग के अंदर भी वी हैव सीन के लोग फॉल सीलिंग के ऊपर से पाइप्स लेके जाते हैं, तो दे आर ऑलवेज लुकिंग फॉर लेस जॉइंट्स, एंड द न्यू टेक्नोलॉजी व्हिच इज कम इनटू द मार्केट इज PEX technology. So what is your say? Is this technology is also coming into slowly and steadily into the residential, hotels or hospitals industries?
Basically, PEX is, if you compare the cost, like the cost is a major factor. So if you compare with your CPVC or PPR or multi-layer pipe, that is much costlier. So PEX, people are those who are into the hotel industry and they do renovation every 5-10 years, and they do not want to do the changing, only they want to replace the pipe which is got disturbed because of any reason. That is a feature of in India, but not majorly into the hotel industry or you can say a 5-star grade of a residential property, but it will take time to come into the normal economical sector. It will take time.
What is your take on this, for fire, since you are already doing a lot of fire projects, metal is the only product which has been used there, in past so many years we have been using MSC class and, GI pipes for fire sprinklers. And now, slowly and steadily, the country is accepting CPVC, also a different grade of CPVC, which is, we have an IS or UL approval in that. So what do you take on that? Will that is a very, sea change, for the life safety, where the metal piping tends to corrode and, CPVC being the thermoplastics have better friction, less friction losses and a better product than that?
Definitely, what now the CPVC is a material of the upper grade which has been approved by the Indian Fire Authority.
हाँ जी.
for the installation is only be approved into the light hazard install.
True.
It is not approved in the medium or high hazard. So the cost will be high. The cost will be very low in compared to the MS5. Definitely yes. And the second thing, your manpower cost is very less
Yeah, that's
for the installation because it's a easy handling of the pipe, placement of the pipe, pointing on the pipe. It's very easy. So it will take time. Even I have tried, but I am failed because in one of my residential projects, I have tried and installed that system in one of the apartments as a sample. But the fittings which are available nowadays is having a constraint. We are having a cornice all around for hiding that pipe within the apartment. So when we use these CPVC standard fitting, the width of cornice becomes double. So which aesthetically the builder will not accept. So with myself I rejected that. He said it is not going to be approved. So we have to think in that perspective. The fitting kind of MS is available, should be available in CPVC also.
Fine, sir. So that means slowly and steadily, these innovative products which the manufacturer companies are bringing, after doing a lot of survey. So slowly and steadily, it is going to take time, but I think slowly and steadily it is going to replace the conventional system, and it is good for the society.
Definitely.
Thank you. So thank you, Priyank. It was wonderful and lovely talking to you. There were a lot of insights जो हमको आपके बारे में पता चली, आपका गल्फ का एक्सपीरियंस, आपका प्रोजेक्ट्स पे क्या एक्सपीरियंस था और वो क्या स्पार्क था जो आपको कंसल्टेंसी पे लेके आया, और आपको हम लोगों को ये पता चला कि आपको कैसे चैलेंजेस पसंद हैं, एंड जो आपने अपनी लाइफ में जो चैलेंज लिए हैं उन चीजों को आपने कैसे बेखूबी निभाया है. So we are very happy to hear that, and I think this will take it forward to the people ताकि उनको भी पता चले. They should also get inspired by the way you have worked in the career as of now and the kind of projects what you have done. So thank you, Priyank. At last, if you want to give any message to the society, to the fraternity about the plumbing, about our subject, so you are free to do that.
No, plumbing I can't. I have given, and I say a lot about the people. Some people will feel bad also about that. Not that. But the only thing I want to give one spiritual message to every person, those who is going to watch this video. Just do prayer for others, not for your own. It will come back to you in any way. That is happened with me. So this is the only message, and thanks a lot because it was nice talking to you.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thanks a lot.
Thanks a lot. Thank you.